Hey guys, welcome back to TechMan. Today, let me show you how to download all Facebook photos at once. Saving every photo from your Facebook account one by one can take forever, but there's actually a built-in way to download them all at once. Open the Facebook app and tap the menu icon, then head into Settings by selecting the gear symbol. From there, go to Account Center and look for the section called Your Information and Permissions. This is where Facebook stores tools related to your data. Tap Download Your Information, then choose Download or Transfer Information. Select the Facebook profile you want to use. You'll then decide how much data you want, either everything or just specific categories. If your goal is photos, simply select the photo-related options and continue. After that, choose whether you want the files downloaded directly to your device or transferred elsewhere. Set your preferred date range and create a file. Facebook will start preparing your download, and once it's ready, the download button will appear. If we've been helpful, kindly give us a thumbs up, and don't forget to hit the subscribe and bell button for more contents. For any questions and suggestions, comment down below.